राधा नाचे कृष्ण नाचे नाचे गोपीगण मन मेरा बन गए रे सखी पावन वृंदावन राधा नाचे कृष्ण नाचे
Kama and Krodha last trigger by force to do this.
Because we have that Kama, Krodha.
You have not, this is not subject. Subject is the who is doing. Rajaguna and Tamaguna. Actually, this Rajaguna and Tamaguna coming from Maya.
Okay.
That means indirectly Maya, she by force you to have to perform this. Forceful. Because this is her punishment. She is giving punishment to us. Because we did not do bhajan sadhana to Krishna. Krishna fully says, Jeev, anadi bahirmukh. Ateva maya tare das samsara didu. And we forget to Krishna and Krishna service. For this regard, Maya Devi, in her three types of gunas, she by force doing this. You have to. This is all.
So the jivas who are outside, followers, we want to do.
Have to do.
We are trying, but three guru forces is
Maya,
making
she
us-
is doing this by her three gunas.
Yes. And
Yeah.
so when will I actually come to Krishna and start doing and taking sadhu sangha?
When Sukriti will come, then you get association with sadhu. Then your taste will come, listen Harikatha. Otherwise not.
So only then you'll be able to fight the three gunas to some
Hmm.
extent. When you have enough sukriti,
When you are enough Sukriti, then Jogmaya will arrange how to get the association with sadhu. Bhaktistu bhagavakta sangana parijayate satsang prapate punvi sukriti purvasanche. When sukriti will be matured and accumulated, then you will get the association with sadhu. Or with the association sadhu, then you will attain bhakti. Actually needs sukriti,
and when we
spiritual
have,
pious activity.
we will be strong enough to do sadhana bhajan.
Then Jogmaya will arrange. And if you have no sukriti, Maya will by force and perform the material thing. Kam, Krodh, Lok.
So when you have sukriti, you're taking sadhu sangha, this kam, krodh, they will not be so much of an influence on you.
No, they will not disturb you. And so will they remove you. Srimad Bhagavata gives evidence. So, conditioned soul means this. They don't want to serve. So lack of sukriti, for this regard, they don't want to come in front of sukriti, the sadhu. And I told in their cave, temple, why people are coming to associate sadhu and listen Harikatha? Because this is the lack of sukriti, sukriti abhav. And this is the main reason. When sukriti will mature and accumulated, परिपक्व हो जाएगा एकत्रित, then your taste will come association with sadhu. And with the association with sadhu sangha, then you realize yourself, who am I? This is the process. Because Maya's her duty to her, reverse your face from Krishna. Then your face will go this way.
About 3 years or maybe 2 years ago, Maharaj said, Maya, she's not a bad person, Maya. She is actually giving you all this trouble, this punishment, and she's purifying you.
Yeah.
You were also saying like this.
Yes, Maya, her duty this is. Why she is giving punishment? Chastisement means is a purification. You have to perform bhajan with Krishna. Just give an example. Police not your friend and not your enemy. If you did some offense, police duty is that give punishment to you. Punishment means is what? To purification. Again you will not do this. That means you should not turn your face from Krishna to man. Sometimes he told one story. One Indian family, they went in Germany. The family. They got some the job, some what is called.
Employment in Germany.
No, not employer. They got some money from their
Business.
no, what is called. They get maybe 5-10 years. They get some money from the government.
Oh,
Okay, it's a pension.
Huh?
Pension, maybe one.
EPF.
Huh?
Yes.
Okay, this money you can use for your
Old
tool.
age.
Huh?
Old age.
Old age not.
Oh,
No.
bonus.
Look like bonus.
Oh, okay.
Understand? But that money have to use for
Holiday.
holiday. That will not give cash to you. They give the check, bank account that you have to go. Otherwise, if you will keep the money, you don't give. Understand? Indian government sometimes after 10 years if you do, then give some money, not give cash in hand not. They give some bank account and credit card. Okay, you go, I will like 10,000, 50,000, something give money, lot of money. But not cash in hand. But that money you have to use for
Traveling.
traveling. You have to show. Yeah, you went this place, this one. Okay. So just to tell, this is the fact, not the recipe. This is the fact. So they came in Germany. Then they hired one car, going to one place, one place. Then they came one place. They are thinking, some they see toilet, go to the toilet. So Germany, if they go to the toilet, they have to pay 50 cents. Have to pay per person. 50 cents have to pay. So they calculate 50 cent means about 35 rupees. Only go to the toilet 35 rupees. Because they are calculating the Indian money. If you go Germany, the some also place if you go have to pay 50 cents have to pay, then you enter.
Public toilets.
Understand this? Understand this?
Yes.
So they are thinking it is better go to the Indian people, they go to the outside. So I can save. That means we are 5. 5 into 50 how much?
250.
250. So India lot of money or not? Because listen. Okay, why you use this? Wasted this. How much? Okay, maybe euro, 80 rupees. Just to give an example. So 40 into 5. So how much? 200 rupees. So 200 rupees we use for only the toilet. Or in India we are going to the forest or somewhere. Understand? So they go in little bit. They after the driving car, one place they stop. They enter into some place. Just little bit bush there. Then after, when they return back, they just sit on the car. Then 3 police van came. 3 police van. This is true. He told. Just tell you. 3 police van came. But what? 1,000 euro.
Fine.
Fine. 1,000 euro. Fine. 1,000 euro means Indian money 80,000 rupees. 80,000 rupees. Maybe his 1 month salary. 80,000 rupees. Well, why? Because you passing water. What do you mean? Well, we are India, again will not do. Well, again, yes, I know. Again will not do. For this regard, I am giving this punishment. But you whole life you will be remembered and never you will do this. He told me that police, he told, but why we give they told, actually we are Indian, we have no this idea, these Indian people, they are doing. But yes, I know. But this is, but here the Germany rule. If you will, this is the offense. And you cannot stealing passing in and here and there. He told me. Why I am saying this? Because in the same way, Mayadevi, she gives punishment means is what? Purification. Remember, again will not and reverse our face from Krishna. So Maya, that means is purification. Maya, she is giving punishment for this reason also. Mayadevi, she is not our friends or she is not our enemy. Her duty, those who committed offense to Krishna, she is her duty to give the punishment. What is your offense? Because we did not serve to Krishna. Krishna भूली सही जीव अनादि बहिर्मुख अतएव माया तेरे दाय संसार आदि दुख. Why Mayadevi she is giving punishment in samsara? Purification of. And again we will not do this. But one thing, and Mayadevi also, we forget. We are doing same offense and Mayadevi, she gives same punishment, but we forget. And again doing same thing.
Life after life.
Why? This is called the lack of security. And lack of security. Lord is very merciful. Lord, He manifested many forms. And how will create the security also? How will create security? Lord manifested in the form of Tulasi. And Tulasi Parikrama. Lord manifested in the form of Vigraha. Lord manifested Sadhu, Guru, Shastra. Lord, many ways, Lord manifests many forms. But we don't want to collect security. Are Tulasi is here. Unknowingly just to do parikrama, the security. Sadhu is here, just to pay your obeisances. Pranam, security will come. But conditioned soul, they don't want. They don't want to come in front of sadhu. Because for this pisachi paile jana matichanna hoy mayagrasta jiver sevha uday. Conditioned soul means this one. As like the ghost possesses in the someone body. You cannot see the ghost, but ghost in his body. And he speaks blah 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 blah. I was there. Who is speaking? That person is not speaking. Who is speaking? Ghost speaking. But you cannot see the ghost. But ghost inside his body. In the same way, Pisachi, Pailajana, Matichana, Mayagrasta Jiva Seva Buddha. In the same way, conditioned soul completely elucidated by Maya. And he is doing this way. Understand? Your soul is not doing. Who is doing? In your body, ghost, that means Maya, she is doing this.
But Maharaj, how can that soul realize back that this is not I am the one who doing, this is Maya is doing? How the souls will realize?
When associated with sadhu, listen Hari Katha, then realization will come. Sadhu Shastra Guru Rupe Tahare Janai, Chaitanya Chaitamrita. Sadhu Shastra. Then, with the sadhu, Guru Shastra, then realization will come. Sadhu means this way. Then, associated with sadhu, then realization will come. Then, who am I? Sanatana Goswami Pad, he asked to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who am I? Sanatana Goswami Pad, he knows, I am Lavanga Manjari. Or in Mahaprabhu, I am Sanatana Goswami. So why did he ask? Teaching to us. You go in front of sadhu, asks, who am I? Why am I suffering three quarters of Maya? How will you free from Maya? This is the thing. How will you free from Maya? Learning chanting of the holy names. Bhagavad Nam. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Cheto darpana marjanam, bhava mahadavagni nirvapanam. Shreya kairva chandrika vitaranam viddhavadhu jivanam. Anandam buddhi vardhanam pratipadam purnamrita sadhanam. Param vijayate Sri Krishna sankirtanam. Cheto darpana marjanam bhava mahadava nirvapanam. Shreya kairva chandrika vitaranam viddhavadhu jivanam. Anandam buddhi vardhanam pratipadam purnatma snapanam. Param vijayate Sri Krishna sankirtanam. Completely submerged in the ocean of divine love of Radha and Krishna. Nam Sankirtan. But conditioned soul, they don't want to chant holy names. They don't want to come in front of a sadhu also. Understand? But sadhu by force. Come. Is a ghost person. He does not want to come in front of the sadhu. But sadhu, and a ghost person, what is it called? He holds him. They come. So sadhu, guru, Vaishnavas. Bhagavad Vida, Bhagavata, Tirthi Bhuta, Swayam Prabhu. Tirthu Kurvanti Tirthani, Santostena Gadabhrito. Sadhu gurus, sadhu guru Vaishnavas. Why they are traveling around the world? They purification the heart of the conditioned soul. Just giving their darshan. Giving Hari Katha. And different ways. And Sadhu Guru Vaishnava purify the heart of the conditioned soul. So saying the word. Bhagavad Vida, Bhagavata, Tirthi Bhuta, Swayam Prabhu. Tirtha Kurvanti Tirthani Santaste Nagadabhrita. Vaishnavas, they keep Lord inside the heart. Just giving darshan, purification the heart of the living entities. If you touch the water of the Ganges, then you purify. But just taking darshan of Vaishnava, your heart will purify. Vaishnava Bandhana is saying, दर्शने गंगार परस होइले पश्चाते पावन दर्शने पवित्र कर यही तोमार गुण. If you touch the water of the Ganges, then all your sinful act will destroy. But just taking darshan of Vaishnava. Vaishnava darshan. But conditioned soul, they don't want come in front of Vaishnava. They want stay alone and close the door. When Vaishnava will go out from his house, then he will come out. Look this. So how they purify that? Are sadhu has come your house. Sadhu has come in front of you just to take darshan. Pay your obeisances, dandavat pranam. Then all your sinful activities. So he is saying, darshan and pavitra yahi tumhara. So conditioned soul, they don't want. So for this regard, sadhu guru shastra lupe tahari jana. Lord manifested many forms. Sadhu, shastra, and guru manifested. Because Lord is thinking all the living entities, they are my sons and daughters. And Lord is our parent. Tameva mata, tameva pita, tameva bandhu sakhasti tameva. You know the verse? Yes. So, that means Lord, He is my friend. Tameva mata, He is my mother, father. He is my all in all. So for the Lord has so much parental affection in His heart. So Lord is thinking, how the living entity, again they return back my abode, Bhagavad Dhamma. For this regard, Lord manifested many forms. And sadhu, guru, shastra. Shastra means scriptures also. The scriptures is not different from Krishna. And sadhu rupe, shastra rupe. Lord manifested many forms. Sadhu rupe, in the form of sadhu. But conditioned soul, they don't want to come in front of sadhu. They don't want to listen. And if we tell you come, oh, I have another appointment. Understand? Maharaj, today is Sunday. And after Monday, come. Only Monday I have to go work. Tuesday, work. Saturday, work. Saturday I have to go to market, this. Then Sunday, my another appointment. So when you get the association sadhu, look, the conditioned soul, they don't know. This vigraha, and that is not different from Lord himself. So saying, sadhu shastra guru rupe tahare jana. So try to understand. Lord appears many forms, but conditioned soul, they don't want what to do. But still sadhu, guru, shastra, Bhagavan, he also deliver you from the ocean of the mind. Understand? So purification, and Maya Devi, she was beating, and crying. Arey, chant holy names. No, I don't want. Arey, at least you do, I don't chant holy names. I don't chant Krishna Nam. I don't want chant Krishna Nam. Just to tell this. क्या बोला? बोले कृष्ण नाम जप नहीं करेंगे. कृष्ण नाम तो कर रहे ना, इतना ही तो बोलो. हम कृष्ण नाम जप नहीं करेंगे. अरे कृष्ण नाम तो बोल दिया था वो नहीं बोलेंगे. मैं जप नहीं करेंगे. अरे क्या जप नहीं करेंगे बोलो. बोले जप नहीं करेंगे. अरे बोलो कृष्ण नाम जप नहीं करेंगे. कृष्ण नाम बोलो तो बोले ना. Anyhow.